Okay, so colleagues, greetings to you. Someone here, and today we are looking at the final project for milestone number 4, which has to do with our engagement with cloud vendors. Okay, so per the instructions, let's quickly visit the uh, our, the proposal, that is our cloud solution proposal. Okay, and in looking at the expenditures, we have the capital expenditure and then the operational or operating expenditure, and basically um, we we both know that the capital expenditures usually looks at fixed expenditures whereby we buying servers, and operating expenditure focusing on the bills that we usually pay. Okay, and you can also, going through it, you realize Lexicon is actually shifting from the large one-time purchases of these service switches and firewalls to cloud-based operating expenditures. Okay, basically to mean that Lexicon is shifting from capital expenditures to operating expenditures. Okay, and we believe this is going to actually save us in cost. And with Azure, we pay monthly based on usage, gaining flexibility and budget clarity. So this change empowers us to scale with demand while maintaining control over the core infrastructure. Okay, so basically the distinction also helps fine-tune spending, balancing long-term investment with cloud agility. With cloud services, we also unlock scalability and budget clarity while paying for what we actually use when we use it, while maintaining essential infrastructure, while stability and control matter most. Okay, so we also have to look at the cloud vendors, the potential of the cloud vendors, and um, you realize that Azure fit naturally into Lexicon's ecosystem, supporting Microsoft 365 with hybrid tools like the Arc and then the Express routes. Okay, nevertheless, AWS also counters with unmatched breadth and global reach. Evaluating both ensures our workload lands on the best fit platform for innovation, cost control, and agility. Okay. All right. So let's also move to the cost. Cost. Let me summarize it. You realize that Lexicon actually balances dynamic cloud costs with predictable base charges. Okay, and we pay only when Azure virtual machines run or data moves. Okay, when the Azure machine is on, we pay. That is when we pay. But when it's paused, we don't pay. Okay, and then also when data is being downloaded, payments, I mean, cost is being incurred. But once there is no download, we don't make any payment. Okay, basically, that is what it means. Okay, and by doing so, we believe uh, we'll keep spending efficient. Okay, and meanwhile, fixed costs like express route and server maintenance ensure continuity and secure hybrid connections. Okay, so that is it. And then for the cloud licensing model, uh, in Lexicon, it's made simple. Cloud licensing is now consumption based instead of buying Windows or SQL Server license upfront. Lexicon pays hourly as part of each Azure virtual machine. Okay, so we only pay for software when actively using it. It's also ideal for our budget flexibility and short-term client projects. So to evaluate the vendors, performance. Lexicon ran real world tests employing sample environments on both the Azure and AWS. Okay, and with this we track speed, cost, and security to ensure each platform supports our needs. Okay, this hands-on um proof of concept gives us clear data before committing to full migration. Okay, so basically I'm summarizing everything we have here. And so the next thing has to do with yes, service level agreement. So here both vendors promises uptime between 99.9 to 99.99% and offers credits when services fall short. But Lexicon knows service level agreements alone aren't enough. Okay, for us, our end, we know this the SLA is just not enough. So we design resilience using availability zones and proactive monitoring to protect reputation and productivity. Okay, so now finally on the migration, yes, I think is the last one. Um, so Lexicon IT solution will migrate in phases. Okay, we are not going to, rush into the migration process. We're going to migrate in phases, starting with low risk workloads. Okay, embedding security at every step and ensuring infrastructure as code. With this, we believe will ensure smooth transition, supports long-term growth, and empower our team to lead with confidence in the hybrid cloud space. Okay, so um, that is that we are going to prioritize stability, security, and learning in our migration principles. Okay, viewers, thank you very much for your time. Once again, Samuel, see you.